Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace this high voltage battery filter on this 2021 Toyota Sienna hybrid. The filter sits on the bottom of the passenger side seat. So to remove the cover, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew this clip. Make sure to do it gently, don't push it in while unscrewing it. Once it gets halfway like that, use your fingernail and pull it out of the hole. And then you got to disengage the clip here on the left side by pulling back until you hear a clip. There you go. And then you're going to pull up to get it out of the hole. That's where the two prong sits. Here's the clip that I was talking about that you need to pull out to disengage. Now to remove this filter, there's a prong on the right and two on the left. You want to remove the one on the right first by pulling back and then out. Same with the left side. And here is the filter. Looks clean still, so I don't need to change it. Make sure to change it out every 15,000 miles. And then to put it back, just put it back in reverse. Put it on the two left side first. And then on the right. Make sure to put it back into the two hole where the prong sits. And then you push the clip back in, you hear it, and then put this clip back. And push this one in. And now we're going to go on the driver's side. So here is the driver's side. Same thing. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew this screw clip. Now sometimes if this screw clip doesn't want to come out, you just pry it onto the back of the clip and you gently unscrew it to get that clip out. So once it gets halfway, go ahead and pull it out. Same thing, pull on the tab here until you hear the clip pop out. There you go. And then pull up on it. Here's the filter. Same thing, remove the left side, disengage the right side. Here's the filter. Still looks clean. If it's dirty, go ahead and replace it. And then put it back in to the hole. And then pop it back in. Put the clip in and push the clip back in like that. If you have debris and dirt down here, go ahead and vacuum it up so that you prevent it from going into the high voltage battery filter. If you have any questions, comments, or concern, go ahead and leave it down below. I will leave the product link in the description box so you know where to buy it. And that is all for now. Until next time.